guys, I'm down here at Disney Springs. Just checking out to see what kind of new items they have available. I just stopped into Ever After and I found a couple bags. Wait till you see these. Alright, new year, new items. This is adorable, and it has the prettiest pink inside the bag. And they have it in a hobo, a satchel, and the tote. Not sure when these came out, but it's Kate Spade, but they're adorable. I love the backpacks. Now I'm gonna head over to World of Disney and check out their merchandise. I first walk into World of Disney and they still have all the Christmas stuff here. And none of it's discounted except for one thing. And I'll show you what that is. The hand soap. If you buy 2 or more, they're $12 each. Otherwise, I think they're $20 a piece. So that's the only thing that they're showing that's on sale. And it's the 2nd of January. So Happy New Year. Yeah, they've got a lot of Christmas stuff still. How much of this is going to end up at the warehouse? The jacket's kind of cute. No, there's nothing on the jacket except for on the sleeve. So as you know, Disney is now celebrating their 100th anniversary. So they do have a lot of the new collection of the 100th anniversary, plus some new 50th items out. Oh, wait a minute. I'm seeing the monorail here for $75. And the castle, $75. So there's a couple things on sale. These are part of the 100th. I believe they should say, oh, they don't say the 100th on them, but they're 50 bucks. They have ornaments. And the Spirit jersey is quite cute. I like it. And then the back of it is written in gold. And it's got everybody down there in their, or silver, I mean. And everybody down there in their silver outfits. They've got hats. Here's the new bags. And for Christmas, Boo got me the Pandora bracelet. That came with the mini ears. That matches this. They have Minnie Mouse and Mickey Mouse and everybody all in their silver outfits. Let's see, there's some new 50th item stuff in the back, so we'll head that way to check them out. We've got a new collection out for the Mickey main attraction, the Safari. So here's the newest lounge fly for the 50th. Everything's in like a gold metallic with a rainbow reflection, as you can see. It's very pretty. New Spirit jersey for the kids. It's cute. Here's some new mugs over here. They're in gold. This is a Starbucks. No, it's not a Starbucks. It's a Quirksicle. But there's the new mugs here. And this is what the back looks like. It's got all the parks represented in it. They do have the Spirit jersey for adults. And this is a new Spirit jersey. Oh, it's got the characters on the sleeves. Goofy and Pluto. Mickey and Donald. That's cute. Here's the Starbucks mugs here, or the cups. And they do say 50th on them for $50. Woo! Okay, I'm tired. It's getting hot out there. It is 81 degrees. We've had such a cold spell, and now all of a sudden we have 81 degrees. I'm hot. I'm melting. So it's time for me to go home. It was pretty busy for being a Monday. I know it's a legal holiday, so a lot of places are closed today. So made that a nice long weekend for people. Oh, my nose is itchy, sorry. Makes it a nice long weekend for people. So tomorrow might not have been as crazy down here, but I can't come tomorrow. And then on Wednesday, I'll be at Epcot, so I'll be busy. I'm ready to go home. Try to get out videos for you guys today. It's a new year. What are your new year? I didn't make any new year resolutions. I just decided that this year was going to be different. And that's all I can say, is that this year's going to be different. I'm taking it one day at a time. Still got some health issues right now that I'm dealing with, that positive thoughts, prayers, everything to me would be greatly appreciated. We're still starting this year off new, and it's going to be a positive year. That being said, I am tired. I didn't have my walker, I didn't have my scooter, I walked, so your girl is tired now. But Wednesday I'll be at Epcot with my scooter, having a good old time. As of now, I think I'm gonna go home and get out of this craziness. Obi's getting a haircut, so I gotta go pick him up as soon as his haircut's done, which by the time I get home, he might be done. So I'll pick him up. As always, guys, thank you for being here, and I love you all, and I will continue to bring you content for the rest of this year, for sure. Next year too. Bye.